Hello everyone, my name is Sara Blanco. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a program called Padlet. Well, Padlet is one of the main tools that I use to help my students to facilitate sharing their ideas and their work to each other. Padlet offers a basic version and a pro version. I've been using the basic version for a long time. To get started, you have to sign in and then start making the paddle. But let me show you. First, you have to go to the official site, that is paddle.com, and then when you don't have an account, it's very easy because you just click the sign up for free button, and then you can sign up with Google, Microsoft, or with Apple, and then that's it. That's a very easy way to create an account for Padlet. I have an account right here, and as you can see, now we are going to make a Padlet. Okay, Padlet gives a lot of options like wall, stream, grid, canvas, map, shelf, timeline, and more. But what I have been using, what I'm going to use right now is a wall. Okay, I use the wall very often, so I'm going to go ahead and set up a Padlet wall right now. Now that we are in the Padlet, let's take a look and how can set it from the customize it. First, you are going to give your Padlet a name, okay? Right here, where it says title. This is our Padlet tutorial, right? Our Padlet tutorial. Okay. Then you can describe it right here. You can make a short description if you want. Then you can customize the wallpaper, as you can see right here. Scroll down a little bit, and here is the wallpaper. I love the one with pictures. Let me use this with the ocean. Okay. The wallpaper is essentially the background of your Padlet. You can make the background solid with a solid color, with texture, with pictures, and with a lot of features. In order to create a new post, you just click the button on the right hand, right here. We are going to create. Keep working. Let's see. Let's go back a little bit. Next. Start posting. What you can do, you click right here and you can start posting. Right here, you can write something. Our tutorial. You can add right here images, videos, GIFs, and another website that might be interesting for you. Once you're ready to share, once you finish, or you can also share images from your files, and when you are ready or when you finish, you just have to right here share the button, right here the share button, and you can edit the privacy, Right here, you can copy the link and you can share with others. Thank you so much for watching. If you find any help tips, please share with other teachers, okay? Bye.